What's going on, guys? This is a different kind of video because I got something in the mail that I've been waiting on for a long time to get. So I'm actually going to do an unboxing. This should be interesting because it's something I've been wanting for a while. So I just figured I would share it with everybody on here. I'm primarily doing this for my buddies in the my local forum, and a few of you here on YouTube too. So, guys, here's the big reveal of my mind. This is PJ's Train Shack. Okay, you guys need to keep this fella in mind. All right. So hang on one second. Okay. He packed this really good. This is how you pack a product, y'all. This is awesome. Got the chutes. A lot of chutes, which is good. Oh yeah. Oh, this is going to be awesome. Let me get the box out of the way. I'm in kind of a cramped space, y'all, so bear with me. I'm trying to be careful so I don't scratch the paint. Because he paints his stuff, so he weathers it, he paints it. Oh man. This is great. Holy cow, this is great. Oh man, this thing is nice. Oh wow. Got one little piece here. I think it's just a ramp. Yeah, it's just a ramp at the chute. Holy cow. Ah, look at this thing. Holy cow. This thing is nice. I'll unpack the other stuff here in a bit. Need to be careful with that. Looks as if it was the way it was sit in there. Nothing big that I can't fix. Even if this pops off, I can still fix it. Holy cow. I cannot wait for this thing. I've got to be very careful with this. Sorry about the hand in front of y'all's face. Holy cow. This is awesome. Oh man, this thing is nice. Holy cow, this thing is nice. Okay, looks like these chutes go here. So this is the other. Oh my God, they fold up and down. And here's the big thing I wanted to show y'all in honor of my grandfather. I asked him if he could do me a label, and he said he'd be honored. I explained the situation about how I had originally had intended to share this hobby again with my grandfather and my sons, but I lost him, and he said he'd be honored, and I see why this guy does. Guys, this this thing is beautiful. This thing is absolutely beautiful. I wish I had the talent this gentleman has. This is amazing. I'm sold now. This is the first thing I bought from this fella, and it's not gonna be the last. This is amazing. PJ's Train Shack. Keep him in mind, y'all. He has a website. He gets tons of business off eBay. People on the big forums, the big huge forum, has got like 35,000 members. Man, this thing is beautiful. I cannot wait to get everything done. I've got track on the way, more track. That's the thing about Kato. It's good and it's bad. It's good because it's a very high quality track. The bad is it's expensive. So I've got to buy in pieces. I've got to buy a certain amount here. Like right now, I'm bidding on a set of straight pieces because I'm out. And in bidding on that, I've got to make sure I've got the money to pay for it. And I can only bid up to a certain amount because it's a huge section. So you've got to look for deals and stuff. Well, I've also decided to start investing in FlexTrack too, either Pico or Micro Engineering. Gonna start buying a box of 5 for, I think it's 5 for 35. I think, yeah. Gonna start by buying it. I should have listened to everybody off the bat and went ahead and started with FlexTrack, but I didn't. I thought, ooh, pre-made track's easier. It is easier, but the fact is, you can't freeform. You buy a certain radius. FlexTrack, you can do it all at once. Oh, man, this thing is nice. I cannot wait to get this thing done, which I said, as I had said, it's only temporary. It'll link to this. Basically, the yard will flip from this and go a completely different kind of direction. I'll just have to show you. But until then, look at this thing. Holy cow. Say hello to the Presley Mining Company in honor of my grandfather. I'm gonna hop on off here because I'm still limited to a 10-minute video in 4K and 1080p. But I'm gonna upload this. Y'all stay tuned. It's coming. I mean, it's getting there. But thank you guys so much for the support and the love and the feedback. I welcome it, and thank y'all so much. I am not in this to be famous. I'm just in here to share my journey. But y'all stay tuned because that journey is getting close. Thank y'all again.